Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. A friend of mine is fond of saying we are all cut from the same cookie dough. Whether that's true or not, it is a good way to look at people when you're trying to sell them a car. How would you feel if a salesperson was treating you the same way that you treat your customers in their shopping process? You know, we've all heard the saying, if you want to know what someone is like, then walk a mile in their shoes. Unfortunately, you can't do that physically, but you can certainly imagine yourself in their shoes, experience what they are going through as you try to earn their business and sell them a car. Too many salespeople today do not take the time to understand their customers. The best way to do this is not by talking, but by listening to what they have to say about what they want and need and doing your best to help them find it. When you can do that, you will steadily build a base of satisfied customers who will see you as their go-to person for all of their transportation needs. Unfortunately, by and large, people don't like to go to a dealership to shop. It may be they have had bad experiences in the past or that they have been tutored by others about what to look out for when dealing with a car salesperson. So what do? They come in with a prepared agenda, an agenda that is designed to keep them in control. That is why they make statements like, "I'm just looking. Can I walk around alone?" Or they intentionally do not bring their spouses with them. How you handle these initial obstacles will truly determine your success. The best salespeople understand the importance of releasing the customer's defensive posture. They do that with words and phrases like informational gathering. Do you need to buy a car today? And when the customer says no, they respond with, "Great, that takes all the pressure off me as a salesperson." The more you can put yourself in the customer's shoes by listening and showing genuine concern for helping them accomplish their agenda, the better your chances are they will open up and allow you to do your job and help them find a car they want to purchase from you. Stop using those old and outdated selling steps, those old pressure statements, and by all means, stop the trial closes. They don't create sales. They create customers who become more and more defensive. And consider this. Most of us do have the ability to pressure someone into buying a car, but you do that and your grosses are typically very low. The customer never returns to buy another car and never recommends you to their friends, family, and coworkers. So be that great salesperson, and people will buy cars from you and pay a decent price for those cars. You make the decision that is best for you. Stay the course or make some changes in your sales process, and I know you'll make the right decision. Well, that's it for this week's sales tip. And don't forget, if you need any training, we're your best source for all of your training needs. Good luck, and I'll see you all next week.